Why does stress feel so heavy?
Great question. Stress feels heavy because your brain tries to protect you by imagining every bad thing that could happen. It's helpful in danger but exhausting in normal life. When the brain gets stuck guessing the future, it uses up energy and makes everything feel harder. Today we will learn the smart way to calm that storm and take back control so your mind feels lighter.
So, what does that actually mean?
Stress and overthinking happen when your brain tries to solve problems that are not real yet. It is like your mind is carrying a backpack full of imaginary rocks. The wisdom is this: the brain needs a simple pattern to follow when it feels overloaded. Small steps help your mind slow down so it can think clearly again.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, your brain changes every time you take one calm step. The prefrontal cortex gets stronger when you pause to breathe, name your feelings, or take a micro-action. The amygdala becomes less jumpy when you show it that you are safe. With small calm habits, your brain builds stronger pathways so you can recognize false alarms early and slow it down. Your brain becomes better at staying steady even when emotions rise.
How does this show up in real life?
Stress shows up when you have too many school assignments, when you try to impress friends, when parents expect a lot, or when you feel behind in life. Overthinking is your brain saying what if, what if, what if. It can make you scared to start homework, scared to make decisions, or scared to try something new. Understanding this helps you catch stress early before it grows too big.
So, small equals big?
Yes, small equals big because tiny choices build your emotional muscles. One small pause before reacting can change the whole day. One micro decision to start homework for just 2 minutes can unlock motivation. Stress shrinks when you show your brain small signs of control, like putting one book away, saying one honest sentence, or taking one breath. These tiny wins stack over time until you feel stronger.
So, how do I start?
Here is your simple 3-step plan. Step 1 is thinking. Say out loud what you are actually worried about. Naming the thought weakens it. Step 2 is feeling. Take one slow breath into your belly and let your shoulders drop. Step 3 is doing. Take one tiny action that moves life forward, like writing one sentence or cleaning one corner. The goal is not perfection, the goal is movement.
What should we do today?
Your challenge is simple. Choose one moment today to pause for 5 seconds before reacting. This tiny pause will train your brain to slow down and think wisely. When you do it, comment the word calm so we can celebrate your progress. If this helped you feel more in control, join the Growth Lab family to keep learning. Remember, your brain becomes calmer through tiny steps repeated every day. Even one pause or one breath creates new wiring inside you. Small actions always beat big plans that never start. Keep practicing the tiny habits you learned today and your mind will grow stronger week by week.
See you in the next episode.